JumpCloud, US Small Business Device Management. So JumpCloud is a cloud-native directory and device management platform that allows US small businesses to manage users, devices, and secure access across Windows, macOS, and Linux from a single console. So first, let's talk about its pros. It offers unified directory, which has the cloud or JumpCloud serves as a central identity provider. It also has a cross-platform support for Windows, macOS, and Linux. It also offers remote device management, which offers remote control and policy enforcements. They even have a zero-touch provisioning and a security feature which is cost-effective for SMBs. Now for the cons though, it has an agent overhead, and the Jump Cloud agent may consume resources potentially leading to performance issues. It also has limited app management, and the learning curve could be very complicated and steep. It also supports costs for advanced features. So overall, it is an excellent device management and identity solution for US small businesses that want a unified, cross-platform, cloud-native approach. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications